Ito yung list ng requirements for pag-ibig housing loan para ma-qualified ka. At least active ka 24 months na nagbabayad kay pag-ibig for you to qualify. Number 2, not more than 65 years old or 70 years old at the date of loan maturity. Number 3, legal capacity to acquire and encumber a real property. Number 4 is no pag-ibig housing loan foreclosed and no cancel both back or voluntarily surrendered. If it is existing housing pag-ibig account or short-term loan, payment must be acquired. So, dapat din you are locally employed or you have a business. Kung OFW ka naman, you just prepare your contract and then yung valid ID mo overseas.